A city full of people can be a lonely place when you're all alone. Often I've thought it would be nice to have some young lady to share my walks with me, and I could show her the river, and the bridge, and our city's fine statues, and show her the erections. I think I'm ready to give love another chance. Meet that special someone. This time, I'll make her pregnant. And if it's a boy, we'll name it Robert Jr. And if it's a girl, well, she can name it. But the hell do I care? I can love her too. Hold her in my arms. Just hold her tight till I got sick of it. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah. I'll pregnate her so hard.
This man is a ticking time bomb, juggling a deadly combination of denial and erectile dysfunction. If he were to unleash his 4 inches of flaccidness, it could be dangerous to both him and the partner of his choosing. Come to our seminar, Your Dysfunctional Penis and You. We will touch on 3 major components. You will learn that jigsaw puzzles are a great way to take your mind off your problem. Women are not for you. And it was never really that great in the first place. March 10th, 7 p.m., our seminar, Your Dysfunctional Penis and You, will be held in the First Methodist Fellowship Hall. Brought to you by R. Adams Psychiatry and the American Jigsaw Builders Union. Bring a friend.